Cooking is more than just a necessity. It's an art form, a creative outlet, and a way to bring loved ones together. This T-fal Platinum Non-Stick Cookware Set 12-piece is designed for those who seek to elevate their culinary experiences while prioritizing convenience and performance. As one of the most trusted names in cookware, T-fal introduces a set that combines cutting-edge technology, superior materials, and thoughtful design to help you master every recipe. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this cookware set is tailored to simplify your kitchen tasks and enhance the joy of cooking. From its platinum non-stick coating, the brand's longest-lasting and most durable non-stick surface, to its Thermo-Spot technology that ensures perfect preheating, this set is packed with features that promise reliability and performance. Key features of the T-fal Platinum Non-Stick Cookware Set. 1. Superior Platinum Non-Stick Coating. T-fal's Platinum Non-Stick Coating is a game-changer. Built to last 10 times longer than basic coatings, it ensures outstanding food release and easy cleanup. Whether you're flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables, the non-stick surface allows for smooth, effortless cooking without the frustration of stuck-on messes. 2. Comprehensive 12-piece set. This set includes everything you need to cook a variety of dishes with ease. 8.5 and 10.5-inch fry pans, perfect for frying, searing, or browning. 1-quart and 2-quart covered saucepans, ideal for sauces, soups, and reheating. 3.5-quart covered sauté pan, great for one-pan meals and stir-frying. 6-quart covered Dutch oven, perfect for slow-cooked stews, casseroles, and large portions. Spoon and spatula, essential utensils for all your cooking needs. 3. Thermo-Spot heat indicator. Cooking is all about precision, and T-fal's Thermo-Spot technology takes the guesswork out of preheating. The heat indicator turns solid red when the pan is perfectly preheated, ensuring that your food cooks evenly and retains its natural flavors and juices. 4. Durable construction and even heat distribution. Featuring a stainless steel base compatible with all cooktops, including induction, the cookware ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and delivering consistent results. 5. Oven and dishwasher-safe. Designed to save you time and energy, this cookware set is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe for easy maintenance. Benefits of choosing the T-fal Platinum Non-Stick Cookware Set. Effortless cooking and cleanup. The superior non-stick coating ensures that even the stickiest dishes slide right off the pan, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to hours of scrubbing and soaking. Durability you can trust. With its 5-layer construction, this cookware set is built to withstand frequent use and maintain its performance over time. The riveted stainless steel handles provide a secure grip, ensuring safety and comfort while cooking. Versatility in the kitchen. From stovetop to oven, the T-fal Platinum Cookware Set adapts to your cooking style. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or slow cooking a hearty dinner, this set has you covered. Healthy cooking made easy. The PTFE non-stick coating is free of harmful toxins, ensuring that your meals are not only delicious but also safe for you and your family. Why the T-fal Platinum Non-Stick Cookware Set stands out. 1. Revolutionary non-stick performance. The platinum coating outperforms competitors, offering a long-lasting and reliable cooking surface. 2. Thoughtful design. Every detail, from the vented glass lids to the ergonomic handles, is crafted for convenience and ease of use. 3. All-in-one solution. With a versatile selection of pots and pans, this set meets all your cooking needs, whether simple or complex. Conclusion: your ultimate kitchen companion. This T-fal Platinum Non-Stick Cookware Set, 12-piece, isn't just cookware, it's a culinary investment. With its unmatched durability, innovative features, and user-friendly design, this set empowers you to cook with confidence and creativity. Whether you're preparing a family dinner or experimenting with new recipes, T-fal delivers reliable performance that elevates every dish. Its toxin-free, easy-to-clean construction ensures that cooking is not only enjoyable, but also safe and healthy for your loved ones. Don't settle for subpar cookware. Upgrade your kitchen today and experience the T-fal difference. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and take the first step toward effortless, enjoyable cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.